Well, hello there, YouTube. I am going to do a super clean video because I'm gonna. If you reply to this, I'll ride my motorcycle later. But if you reply to this, I'm going to do a giveaway, and this is what they give away: a spray can and a cleaner. So I'm going to wash this lawnmower. I'm going to get the mud off of these wheels. I mow in the back and it gets pretty muddy, especially with all the rain we've been getting. I put LED lights on here too. That made a big difference. So let's see what it does with mud. Okay, we'll try this. Oh. Off. Spray. Let's see what it does. I don't think it's going to remove mud, but we'll see. The big part is up here. It gets really dirty and it does a good job. I don't think it's going to remove mud. I'll have to spray the mud off. Whoop. Get my garage door opener out of there. So I'm spraying it down. Let's get it on the rubber too. See what happens. See if it loosens up the dirt. Yeah. I know this stuff works great because I bought it. I actually buy it too. So this stuff actually works great. Getting everything clean. The only bad thing is these muddy wheels. I mow in the back and we had a lot of rain, so there's a lot of it I couldn't mow because there's still standing water back there. Yep, that ain't what I want. Yep, that ain't what I want either. Let's go. Yeah. You see it suds up. I used this before on the mower and it really does a good job getting it pretty clean, but I got mud on the tires. It's going to be hard to get it all off. Let's see. I'm gonna loosen up that dirt. And I gotta clean the driveway when I'm done. Yeah, it is taking the mud off. Huh, surprise. It loosened up the mud. The only bad thing about mowing in the back, I get a lot of mud. And I did mow the front, but it just kind of stuck on there. Let's see. Yeah, I took that dirt off. Man, I'm gonna have to clean up the driveway. Muddy tires. Oh, didn't spray the seat. There, not too bad. Oh, sorry, got my camera wet. So, just had to get the mud off the tires, so I'm really going to have to clean my driveway a little bit. But this thing's pretty clean. This is, I think it's a 2022. I bought it new in when I left Leander, Texas, and I trailered it up here, and I've been mowing with it for 4 years. And I do, I keep the blade sharp. I got 3 sets of blades. And I change the oil on a regular basis. I don't like dirty oil. Well, there we go. I can actually spray some more on those tires to see if they look a little bit better on the inside. Got dirt inside there. Probably have to roll the. Here, let's try that and see. I didn't get the inside of those front tires. Still getting dirt all over the place from the tires. Okay. This thing's, what is it? I bought it in 20, we've been here 4 years, so I bought it before we came up here. It's a Bad Boy ZT Elite. It's a great mower. I have 3 sets of blades. I keep them sharp, and I change them out every now and then and get sharp. We got mulching blades on there, and I got a mulching kit on here too. I love the mulching kit because when I get leaves, it just puts it right back into the soil. I love the mulching kit. So there we go. There's the Super Clean. And I'm going to do a giveaway. So this is exactly what they'll send you as soon as I do a random picker. And they'll send you these. Bye.